Hello guys, I think you are fine. This is continuation to cleaning done after Python. We are cleaning data set in Excel. And sorry, previously I forgot to mention that this project was done in group. We were three members and on different we have worked differently and worked together to do this project. So but I'm making the video for a whole purpose of showing our work that we have done. So let's clean the data now. We are on the Play Store apps that clean dataset which we downloaded after cleaning them in Python. So there are still many cleaning need to be done. So let's go to the data tab and let's see if there are any blank values. And I don't think in apps we have any blank values now. Okay, now let's see in the category if there is any blank. CTRL plus F, find all, and that's not the column we have. CTRL plus up to go up. Now let's go to the rating. As we can see, there are many null values. We can replace them with 0 because we are guided to do that in project. 49 in cells has been replaced with 0. Let's check if okay, it's okay. It's totally fine. Now let's go to the review. And data type of category and app are correct as they are string characters. So let's see, they are general. Yes, they are general. It's okay. Rating, it should be the numeric data type. So let's change it to numeric and change the decimal place to 1. Reviews, I don't think it has any null values. Yes, it doesn't have. Now let's see if it is also giving general. We need to make it numeric. We don't need any decimal points because it is exact numbers. Size, let's see if there is any null values. No, and it should be numeric, but here we have a string data type as varies with devices. In general, it should have been in numeric, then we could have replaced that M, that is 9.8 MB to KB or some standard unit so that we can use in whole data set. But here we don't need it, so no need to do that cleaning. So let's go to the installs. If is there any blank values? No, there is no any blank values. So let's change its data type to number, and we don't need any decimals. Type it is general, and let's check if they're okay. It is error because we don't need 0. So 0, that means it should be free, so we can replace it with free. And oh sorry, I replaced it on wrong place. Type should be free. By the way, it's having 0 and there is no installs, rating also 0. So it should be basically removed, but I'm not removing it. Let's check now content rating if there is blank. No, there is no blank values. In genres, there is no blank values. Last updated, there is no blank values. And it data type, Okay, I forgot the price. There is no null values and it should be of data type number and 2 decimal points. It's okay. Last updated it should be data type as short date. Current var it should be general only because it is string data type. Let's check if it is containing any null values. Okay, it's containing date, and I think this date is the same as the last updated date. By mistake someone has written this here, so we can replace it with blank. But at the end we need to replace that blank values with nan, so we are replacing it with nan. Now let's go to the end. Now let's check if there is any blank values. No. In Android version, if there is any blank values, okay, there are no blank values. It's okay. Let's save it. In review dataset, there is nothing to be cleaned as we have already cleaned all paths, but we don't need this first column which is inserted by default due to Python. We just need to change the data type here to some of them, that is sentiment polarity and sentiment subjectivity. So let's change it to numeric data type, both of them. And also let's have a look if they are having any blank values either, if possible, but which is not possible because we have replaced that in Python code already. It's okay, so let's save it. We are done. So thank you guys. We'll come up with next SQL part where we will have few questions that are listed and we will solve writing query to them. Thank you.